Friends, today we are learning how to view automatically camera one by one in C plus DVR. So first go to menu and click on display. Go to tour. Here you can click on enable. Direct video according to your view. We are selecting one. Windows lift 1 by 1, 4 by 4, and there is many options. You can choose as per your requirement. And you can also select the channel. If you don't want to, you can also disable. Click on apply. And go back. Here you can see the cameras are moving automatically. It's phone number. And you can also off. Just go to menu, display, and tour setup. Here you can change the timing also. If you don't want to quickly move, you can change by the second 5 and to 10. And if you want to off, just disable and apply. So you can see your camera never moves.